Deep within the heart of New York City, where the sewers crisscrossed like a labyrinth, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, and Raphael, trained vigorously under the watchful eye of Master Splinter. Though they had faced countless villains and challenges before, they were about to embark on an adventure unlike any other, a journey that would take them far from the city they knew so well. One evening, as the turtles were enjoying a rare moment of relaxation in their lair, Donatello's high-tech radar started flashing a strange signal. It was coming from the outskirts of the city, deep within an old, forgotten forest. The signal was weak, but there was something undeniably mystical about it. "Guys, I think we've got something big here," Donatello said, his voice filled with excitement and curiosity. "Big like pizza big, or big like we're about to kick some major shell?" Michelangelo joked, spinning a pair of nunchucks. "Bigger than that, Mikey," Donatello replied, his eyes glued to the screen. "This signal isn't just technology. It's got traces of some sort of ancient magic." Master Splinter, who had been meditating nearby, opened his eyes. "Magic? In our world, science and the mystical often walk hand in hand. It is possible that what you have discovered is connected to something powerful, something that has remained hidden for centuries." Leonardo, always the leader, stepped forward. "We need to check it out. If there's a threat, we have to neutralize it. And if it's something that can help us, we need to know more." The turtles geared up, their weapons strapped to their backs as they prepared for the unknown. They had faced many dangers before, but the idea of magic was something new and unpredictable. With a nod from Leonardo, they set off, making their way to the edge of the city where the forgotten forest lay. As they entered the forest, the city's noise faded behind them, replaced by the whispers of ancient trees and the rustle of leaves underfoot. The deeper they ventured, the more they felt the forest was alive, watching, waiting. Suddenly, a soft glow appeared in the distance, drawing them closer. They arrived at a clearing where a large, ancient tree stood. Its bark was etched with glowing symbols, and at its base was a small, intricately carved door. "This place, it's like something out of a fairy tale," Raphael muttered, his tough exterior momentarily softened by the wonder of the scene. Donatello approached the door, his fingers tracing the symbols. "These markings, they're a language, one that's incredibly old. I think it's a key of some sort." Before they could react, the door creaked open, revealing a spiral staircase leading downward, illuminated by flickering blue flames. The turtles exchanged glances, then, with Leonardo leading the way, descended into the darkness. The staircase seemed endless, but eventually, it opened into a grand underground chamber filled with strange artifacts and shimmering lights. At the center of the room stood a pedestal with a glowing, golden orb. "This has to be what's causing the signal," Donatello said, inching closer to the orb. As he reached out to examine it, the orb suddenly pulsed with light. The chamber walls came alive with images, visions of an ancient world where powerful beings wielded magic to protect the earth from dark forces. The last image showed the orb being sealed away, its power too great to be used by any one person.